Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about property taxes can destroy your profit. Many rental properties look profitable at first because the rent amount seems strong. However, profit is not based only on rent. A smart investor must subtract every recurring cost, and one of the biggest costs many people underestimate is property tax. First, property tax is a recurring ownership cost paid to the local government. It may look like just another bill, but if it is ignored or underestimated, it can seriously reduce your monthly cash flow. In some cases, it can even turn a profitable rental property into a break-even or losing investment. Now, imagine a rental property earning $2,200 per month in gross rent. At first, this may sound like a great deal. Many investors see high rent and quickly assume the property will produce strong profit. But before making that assumption, the real monthly costs must be calculated. Next, you subtract the core costs before property tax. For example, the mortgage payment may be $1,300 per month. Insurance may cost $120. Maintenance reserve may be $180, and vacancy reserve may be $100. Altogether, these core costs become $1,700 per month. At this point, the property looks good because $2,200 in rent minus $1,700 in core costs leaves $500 in estimated monthly cash flow before property tax. So, on paper, the deal may look profitable. However, then the property tax hits. If the annual property tax is $6,000, that equals $500 per month. When this recurring cost is added to the monthly expense stack, total monthly costs rise from $1,700 to $2,200. As a result, the $500 monthly profit disappears. The property that looked like it had $500 of cash flow before tax now has $0 of cash flow after property tax. This is why property taxes can destroy your profit if they are not included from the beginning. Moreover, property taxes are not always fixed forever. They can rise because of reassessment by the county or local assessor. They can also increase when home values rise, when local government budgets change, or when new public spending is introduced. In addition, buying in a high-tax area can make the cost much heavier than expected. Because of that, investors should not only check the sale price or the mortgage payment. They should also check local tax rates, past tax history, possible reassessment after purchase, and future tax increases. A property may look affordable based on the mortgage, but the full ownership cost may tell a very different story. In addition, many investors forget to include taxes in their cash flow analysis. Some focus only on rent and loan payment, while others forget that property tax can change after the property is sold. This can create bad purchase assumptions and lead to low or negative cash flow. So, to protect profit, investors should research the tax history of the property, ask the seller or check public records, estimate taxes using current local rates, and include property tax in every cash flow calculation. They should also stress test the deal with higher tax scenarios and keep reserves for unexpected increases. If the assessment seems too high, investors may also have the option to appeal the assessment, depending on local rules and time limits. However, this should never be the main plan. The safer approach is to buy only when the numbers still work after realistic property tax estimates. The key takeaway is simple. High rent does not always mean high profit. Property taxes are recurring, they can rise, and cash flow can disappear if taxes are ignored. Therefore, investors must analyze the total ownership cost, not just the rent, price, or mortgage payment. A rental property can look profitable on paper until property taxes erase the margin. So always run the full numbers before you buy, because the best investment is not the one with the highest rent, but the one with strong cash flow after every real expense. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and speak with a qualified real estate, tax, or financial professional before making any investment decision. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.